Hello guys, today is my topics string handling, and now I'm going to discuss about string buffer and string builders, and after that I'm going to learn about everything about string builders. And as you know, string builder is one of the very important concept in string handling. Okay, so let me know in interviewers asking to you about the string builders, about the string buffer, about a string. So many questions are arise. What is the difference between the string builder? What is the difference between the string buffer? What is the difference between a string and a string builder? What is the difference between a string buffer and a string builder? So like that, so many questions are prepared like interviewers and asking to you what is the difference, why you should use this, why should you use this. So like that, so many questions are arise in interview room, so you have to prepare well so you can give answer any questions. So I am going to talk about today a string builder. What is the use of a string builder? What is a string builders? Why a string builder needs? Why it's came? Everything I am going to discuss in this video. So let's enjoy it. Okay, so next, the string builder class was added in Java 5 because before that string builders is already enjoy the developers, but a string builder having some special quality. What is this quality and why this come in Java 5? What is the need of this? Everything I'm going to discuss. It has exactly same API. API will be same. String buffer class except string builder is not a thread set. It is the one kinds of the difference. A string buffer class except a string builder is not a thread shape. So we can say that a string builder is not thread shape and a string buffer is thread shape. So whenever you want thread concept, then definitely choose a string buffer. Don't choose a string builders. Okay. Next. In other words, its methods are not synchronized. A string buffer, yeah, string builders. So we can say a string builders methods, all the methods are not synchronized and a string buffer methods are synchronized. Remember it very carefully. So many students are the confused which is synchronized and which is not synchronized. So here recommended to not synchronize. It is not synchronized methods. Every method are not synchronized in a string builder. Don't forget it. Oracle recommended that Oracle is a one kinds of the company and it is having a so big use and is also purchased the JDK and also Java corporations. Recommended that we use a string builder instead of a string buffer. Oracle recommends that we use a string builder instead of a string buffer whenever possible. Whenever possible. But if it is not possible, then definitely choose a string buffer because a string builder will run faster. So a string builder having a one more quality like faster, and a string builder is faster than compare of a string buffer. So whenever you want efficiency, then you go for the string builders. This is the second point. Third point. Okay. Fourth point is, so apart from synchronization, anything we can say about a string buffer. Methods hold turn of the string builders method and vice versa. Actually, here is one kinds of the technique. Apart from the synchronization, okay, anything we can say about a string buffer. Okay, it means that a string builder and a string buffer both are same. Only difference is a string buffer method is synchronization and a string builder method is not synchronization. Okay, and vice versa also. Next, I am going to learn. It's a very important questions. What is the difference between a string? This is a string. This is a string buffer, and this is string builders. So I have to discuss about three of these classes, and these three classes are the predefined classes, and it will make you very flexible programming. Okay, so difference between three: if your content is fixed, it is very important, you just know about it, you can do and you can impress the interviewer easily. If you know this concept, it's a very important. If our content is fixed, it means you don't want to change your data. If your content is fixed and not changing frequently, then we should go for the string. Definitely you have to remember, if your content is fixed and not changing, then you go for the string. Second, string buffer. Why you go for the string buffer? Why you choose a string? Why you choose a string buffer? And why you choose string builders? How we can decide? So this is the answer. Okay, if your content is not fixed, okay, my content is not fixed, well, as a thread safe, it is a second concept. Your content is not fixed and your content is thread safe is required, then you should go for the string buffer. It means one extra point is when you want to go for the thread safe, it means it is going to use in thread concept. Third is a string builder. If our content is not fixed, okay, similar to a string buffer, but change. But what? Change. If your content is not fixed and change, indirectly we can say not fixed, it means change frequently and thread safe. T is not required. If you don't want thread safety, then you can go for the string builders. Then we should go for the string builders. And remember it, it's a very important, and so many interviewers asking how we can select a string buffer, how you can select a string builders, and how can you select a string buffer, how we can decide, what is the reason behind it. So you have to tell this answer exactly, then you can crack the interview. Next is, what is the difference between a string buffer and a string builders? You already know, but again I am going to mention this separately to understand very easily. A string buffer is thread safe, but a string builder is not thread safe. A string buffer is synchronized and a string builder is not synchronized. It means that string builders, all the methods are not synchronized. Okay, since Java 1.0 it came a string buffer, but Java builder since came in Java 1.5. A string buffer is slower because of all the methods are synchronized, and a string builder is faster because of no method are synchronized, so we can access parallelly at a time, so that we can say a string buffer is faster. Now I'm going to give you some questions, and this question is related to a string buffer and a string builders, so don't forget to do it, and this question you have to do and give the answer. Okay, so you just pause the video and just take a screenshot and do it your own. I will give you one by one. This is the first questions, this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. This is the second question, this is the answer. Okay, this is the third question, this is the answer. So like that I'm give you all the questions, you just take a screenshot and scan a snap, and then we can do your own in your laptop. Don't forget it. If you do practice, then you can remember everything easily. Okay, third is this is answer. Fourth question, this is answer. Fifth question, this is answer. Sixth question, this is answer. So I will collect some questions, you just take it, and you will get more benefit from it. And you just, this question is also asking in interview also, so don't forget it. What is the result? Java, JavaScript, D. This is the question, this is answer. I hope you remember it and you have to do practice, then you lots of the benefit you will get through this. And this is also asking the questions in interview room also. If input like that, then what is the length? Okay, so question is then, because you know 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and before containing the length, calling the length function, all these are the like that special characters are removed. Okay, I hope you know about it. So like that, so many questions I will give you. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please do it all the assignments and take these questions. It's very easy for you, and all the best. Please subscribe my channels and like the video. Thank you so much.